Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs and savvy business planners. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of your pitch deck: financial projections. The challenge here is balancing realistic projections with an optimistic outlook. Let's dive into how to strike this crucial balance to ensure your projections are both credible and compelling. Start with the foundation of solid data. Use market research and historical data to ground your projections in reality. This approach ensures that your numbers are not just wishful thinking, but are based on actual market trends and business realities. Demonstrate growth potential. Investors are interested in seeing the scalability and growth possibilities of your business. Include optimistic yet achievable projections that illustrate the potential success of your business model. Transparency is key when it comes to assumptions. Clearly articulate the assumptions behind your projections. This openness builds trust and shows that you have a comprehensive understanding of your business's potential and the market dynamics. Consider presenting different scenarios, including a best case, worst case, and most likely scenario can demonstrate that you are prepared for various market conditions and business challenges. This approach shows thoroughness in your planning. Link your projections to your business plan. Ensure that your financial forecasts align with your marketing strategies, operational plans, and other business activities. This alignment demonstrates a well-thought-out business strategy. Avoid overcomplex financial models. While detailed projections are valuable, overly complex models can confuse investors and detract from your main message. Focus on keeping your financial projections clear and straightforward. If your startup has a financial track record, use it. Historical financial data can lend credibility to your projections and give investors a tangible sense of your business's financial health and trajectory. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek expert opinions. Consulting with financial experts can add a layer of credibility to your projections and ensure they stand up to scrutiny. This can be particularly valuable if you're new to financial forecasting. Remember, crafting financial projections in your pitch deck is about showing that you are ambitious and have high hopes for your business, while also being grounded in reality and practical market understanding. It's a balancing act that, when done well, can significantly enhance the persuasiveness of your pitch. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you ensure your financial projections are both realistic and optimistic? Share your approaches or ask for advice in the comments below.